We can export a LandXML out of location, and to do that we'll hit Save As. We'll change our extension to be LandXML. Just save over this one. I can hit Save, I'll click Yes, and at the top we have the option to select which alignment we're exporting. So in this case I only have one, so current only is selected here. Then we have our cross section. So these specs are going to be more for setup for construction staking, but we can go into our corridor surfaces, and if we want to include the actual triangulated surface of each one of our layers, we can. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'll click Terrain Surfaces. So for this, I'll move this around here, we can see that we have our center line and we have our cross-section geometry attached to it. And since I haven't modeled those surfaces in my 3D view yet, they aren't appearing in this list. So I can go in here, I can click Add, and I can select which surfaces I'd like to generate. So I can go in here, I'd like my subgrade, I'd like my surface layer 1, I'd like my surface layer 2, and I'd like my surface layer 3. And I'm going to just choose so I want to include those. I'm going to make sure the checkbox is selected. I'll hit OK. Now I'll hit OK. And that will include those surfaces with the LandXML export. Now if you want more information, such as all of the line work that is used to make up this surface, we can export that. And I'll just zoom in here. For that, I'm going to consider adding even more information than what I have shown in my view. So I'm going to export this as a DWG rather than a LandXML. I'll come in here, I'm going to go into my template codes, I'm going to include all the line work that's used to make up that surface. There we go. And I can click File, Save As. And I don't want to include my backgrounds, I just want the line work for that. And away we go.